Hi, I'm going to show you how to get the metadata of a Solana NFT. So when an NFT is minted on Solana, it's usually using this thing called token metadata program. It's a smart contract on Solana. That will contain information that includes the URI of the NFT. That URI will then link to Arweave or IPFS that will contain as much information as the person wants. So the URI, the name, the symbol, these sort of things are limited in length and storage, and they're stored actually on the Solana blockchain. Then the rest is stored on a different sort of decentralized file storage service generally. Like Arweave or IPFS. If you're just testing, you might as well just store it on S3 or some sort of centralized thing because it can be much cheaper. So you just store it there, and then when you're actually doing minting a real NFT, you would want to use a decentralized storage service. So to get started, we're going to use the BlockchainAPI. They make it really easy, or we make it really easy to get the metadata from any NFT on Solana. So just first go to docs.theblockchainapi.com, Solana NFT, get an NFT's metadata, and then you'll see here, this is sort of what we'll get back. So we'll get back whether or not it's mutable, so it can be updated, the NFT address, which should match this, whether or not the primary sale happened, and the update authority. So this corresponds to the person who can update it if it's mutable. And all we need to provide is the mint address and the network and our API keys. So the first thing we'll do is get an API key pair, create new key, and I'm going to copy this down here. Okay. All right, and then so this is an API, so you can use any coding language, but we have a Python wrapper for the API, which makes it much easier to use. So we're just going to use that Python wrapper, but again, you can just use any coding language by making a GET request to this endpoint, this endpoint right here, right? Okay, so I already have it installed, but just go pip install the blockchain API. That'll just show you. Okay, so key ID equals, okay, secret key API. Okay, and then just import the stuff from the blockchain API that we need. Okay, so let's initialize the resource, and then once we do that, we're pretty much ready to go. We're just going to get the mint address from a marketplace like Solana or something. Okay, so then we can say get, let's see, NFT metadata. Oops. And then we'll go print results. Okay, so now we just need to fill that out. So, and we're going to use the mainnet. Okay, so let's go to SolC, which is one of the more popular ones currently. Let's see here. Okay, Soul Gods. This is interesting. Okay, that's not what I want. Jerry, Tom and Jerry. Okay, there's no NFTs here. I'm looking for one NFT where I can just get the NFT address. Okay, yeah, down here. So let's choose this Cyclops one. If you click View on Solana, this is the mint address. Okay, so if you want to programmatically get the metadata, you can. You just need the mint address, so you have to get that somehow. Yeah. And but if you're not programmatically doing it, I mean, you can just look it up on the Explorer by typing it in, right? So now we just put it in here. We just click run, and there we go. We have everything we need about it. And then so you have the URI that I was talking about, the name, symbol, the creators of the NFT, the fee that the creators receive whenever it's sold. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess let's just also look at the Arweave data. so you can see what's stored in Arweave. We see it's like different things like the image, files. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like the only extra thing is the image and the description. You can easily get this with Python by just going by installing the request package and going request get, right? And you just basically extract this URL from the data you receive, right? So see, that's what we just had in the browser. And that's how you get all the metadata for both what's stored in the blockchain and what's on Arweave. All right, thanks so much. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, feature requests, be happy to hear them. Thanks so much. Have a good day.